1. Adjust for best performance. Go to your search bar and type. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on the result, then in the Performance Options window, select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and then OK. This will turn off unnecessary animations and visual effects that slow down your system. 2. Optimize your drives. In the search bar, type Defragment and Optimize Drives. Open the tool, select all your drives one by one, and click Optimize. This helps keep your drives running efficiently by reorganizing fragmented data. 3. Run Disk Cleanup. In the search bar, type Disk Cleanup. Select your main drive, usually C, then check everything in the list. Click OK, then confirm deletion. This removes temporary files, cache, and other junk that slows things down. 4. Manage Startup Apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Click the Startup tab. Right-click and disable any apps you don't need launching at startup. This significantly speeds up your boot time. 5. Set your display to highest refresh rate. In the search bar, type Display Settings greater than, scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings. Under Refresh Rate, choose the highest available option. This helps your monitor display more frames per second if it supports higher refresh rates. 6. Enable Game Mode and Graphics Settings. In the search bar, type Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is on. Then go to Graphics Settings in the same menu. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If you experience stuttering after enabling this, feel free to turn it off. 8. Turn off background apps and notifications. In the search bar, type Background Apps. Turn off apps running in the background that you don't need. Then, type Notifications and Actions in the search bar. Turn off notifications you don't want. This reduces interruptions and boosts performance slightly.